Today, we're uncovering a long-held secret that has been passed down through generations. It is a simple yet powerful blend of castor oil and baking soda. These two common household ingredients have been used for hundreds of years, not only in cooking and cleaning but also in natural medicine. Ancient civilizations, like those in Egypt and Rome, revered castor oil for its potent healing abilities, while baking soda has long been a reliable remedy for a variety of health issues. Together, this dynamic duo is capable of treating over 14 different conditions, offering a natural alternative to modern pharmaceutical solutions. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Key benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has been celebrated for its numerous health and wellness benefits. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant, this natural oil is rich in fatty acids and other compounds that make it an ideal remedy for a wide range of ailments. Some of its key health benefits are anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Castor oil is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it especially effective in reducing pain and swelling. It is commonly used by individuals with arthritis or joint pain as a natural alternative to pharmaceutical painkillers. A 2009 study even highlighted that castor oil can be as effective as diclofenac, a common pain relief medication. The big advantage here is that castor oil doesn't come with the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical drugs. Skin hydration and elasticity. For those dealing with dry or sensitive skin, castor oil offers deep hydration. It's also highly effective in promoting collagen production, which can help improve the elasticity of your skin, reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Over time, regular use can leave your skin looking smoother, more supple, and youthful. Wound healing. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, castor oil can aid in faster wound healing. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing infections in cuts, scrapes, and bruises, while also speeding up the healing process. Antimicrobial properties. Castor oil is also highly effective against harmful microorganisms. Whether you're dealing with acne or fungal infections, applying castor oil can help clear up these conditions by creating an inhospitable environment for bacteria and fungi. Hair and nail health. In addition to its skin benefits, castor oil is known to nourish both hair and nails. It can strengthen brittle nails and promote healthier, stronger hair by nourishing the scalp and reducing dandruff. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest health and nutrition tips. Key benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is another household staple that offers a multitude of health benefits. While most people think of it as just an ingredient for baking, its uses extend far beyond the kitchen. Acid neutralization. One of the primary uses of baking soda is for neutralizing acids. This makes it particularly effective in relieving indigestion, heartburn, and acid reflux. By mixing a small amount of baking soda with water, you can quickly alleviate these symptoms. Additionally, its ability to neutralize acids makes it helpful in soothing urinary tract infections by reducing the burning sensation during urination. Adjunct cancer therapy. Recent studies have explored baking soda's potential in supporting cancer treatment. A 2020 study highlighted its role in reducing tumor acidity, which can make traditional cancer treatments more effective. Although it is not a cure for cancer, it is being studied as an adjunct therapy to improve treatment outcomes. Skin health. Baking soda works wonders for your skin, acting as a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and reveals a brighter complexion. It is also useful for treating fungal skin infections and reducing acne due to its antimicrobial properties. Oral health. Baking soda is frequently used in toothpaste because of its ability to reduce plaque and fight gingivitis. Regular use of a baking soda-based toothpaste can lead to healthier gums and cleaner teeth. pH balance and detoxification. Baking soda plays a significant role in maintaining your body's pH balance. This is particularly important in treating conditions like metabolic acidosis, where the body becomes too acidic. Why combine castor oil and baking soda? Individually, castor oil and baking soda offer a wealth of health benefits, but when combined, they create an even more powerful remedy. Here's why this mixture is so effective. Amplified healing effects. When castor oil and baking soda are used together, they enhance each other's healing properties. This combination improves blood flow to the affected area, which is vital for healing as it increases the supply of oxygen and nutrients. It also boosts the immune system by stimulating the production of T lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that helps fight infections. Stimulates lymphatic drainage. This mix helps to stimulate lymphatic drainage, allowing your body to flush out toxins more effectively. The detoxifying effects can leave you feeling more energized and healthier. Neutralizes and absorbs harmful substance. Castor oil's viscous nature allows it to trap unwanted toxins and excess oils on the skin. Combined with baking soda's antibacterial and cleansing properties, the mixture can deeply purify the skin, preventing acne and other infections. Together, this duo creates a versatile, natural remedy that enhances your body's own defenses while promoting faster healing and detoxification. Top benefits of the castor oil and baking soda mixture. Reduces allergic reactions. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Promotes quick healing of wounds. Relieves pain and reduces inflammation. Soothes tired eyes. Rejuvenates and restores skin. Relieves joint stiffness. Skin whitening and brightening effect. Reduces itching and irritation. Removes warts and papillomas. Eases lower back and joint pain. Fades stretch marks and scars. Restores nail health. Alleviates digestive discomfort. Specific uses and application instructions. Here are some practical ways to incorporate this powerful combination into your daily routine. For skin problems and allergies, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Apply the paste to the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. This soothes skin irritations and allergies. For fungal infections, combine equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply to the infected area for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily. For wounds and bruises, use a 1-to-1 ratio of castor oil and baking soda. Apply for 20 to 30 minutes, repeating 2 to 3 times a day for faster healing. Important precautions. While this mixture is generally safe, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you are allergic to either castor oil or baking soda, avoid using this remedy. Perform a patch test on your forearm before applying the mixture to larger areas to ensure there are no adverse reactions. This remedy is supported by both scientific research and anecdotal evidence. Numerous studies have confirmed the anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and healing properties of castor oil, while baking soda's effectiveness in neutralizing acids and killing bacteria is also well documented. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. It is always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. They will know more about your individual condition. Remember to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time on Health Infohub, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.